Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best food choices is probably one of the most profound and personal decisions we make daily, impacting not just our health and well-being, but also the environment, animal welfare, and the global food system, prompting us to critically examine the origins of what's on our plates and the ethical implications behind every bite. Number 5. Honganda Funny Animal Socks. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and whimsy with these unique socks. They're designed to bring a smile to your face and add a playful touch to any outfit. Featuring adorable 3D knit designs, these socks showcase charming alligators and sharks. Their intricate details make them truly stand out. Crafted specifically for women, these socks offer a comfortable and snug fit. They are a delightful addition to any wardrobe. Looking for a unique present? These make an excellent Christmas gift for friends, family, or even yourself. They're sure to be a hit during the festive season. Brighten up your day with these funny animal socks. They are more than just footwear, they're a statement of personality and joy. What we like? These socks offer a unique 3D animal design that truly stands out. If you are looking for a fun and quirky accessory to express your personality, these are perfect. They make an excellent novelty gift for friends and family during the holidays. What people say. Number 4. Awesome Kitchen Science Experiments for Kids. Discover a world of excitement right in your kitchen. This book brings science to life with engaging experiments for young minds. It focuses on science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Your children will learn critical skills while having a blast. Imagine learning about chemistry and biology, then tasting your delicious creations. It makes learning truly unforgettable. With 50 unique projects, there's always something new to explore. Each one is designed to spark curiosity and creativity. This collection is specially crafted for kids. It turns everyday ingredients into extraordinary learning experiences. It encourages hands-on exploration and critical thinking. Watch your children develop a love for science and discovery. What we like? This book provides engaging science experiments that are completely edible. If you have curious kids who love hands-on learning, this offers a fantastic way to combine education with delicious fun. It's ideal for parents seeking creative and safe activities that teach STEAM principles. What people say. Number 3. FurReal Snackin, Sam the Bronto. Discover FurReal Snackin, Sam, the adorable interactive brontosaurus. This plush companion moves, makes delightful sounds, and responds to your child's every interaction. Get ready for endless fun with over 40 unique sound effects and reactions. He expresses his happiness and excitement in so many charming ways. Watch as he comes to life with his expressive movements. He even playfully sticks out his tongue, ready for a special treat. Feed him his favorite frozen treat accessory, included with him. Listen closely as he makes happy, slurpy eating sounds, showing how much he enjoys it. This interactive pet makes a fantastic gift for 4-year-old girls and boys. Bring home a new friend that will provide hours of imaginative play and companionship. What we like? This interactive Bronto toy brings a prehistoric friend to life with over 40 sounds and reactions. If your child loves dinosaurs and enjoys nurturing play, they will adore feeding it its special treat. It's perfect for young kids aged 4+ who want an expressive and responsive electronic pet. What people say. No positive product details could be extracted as the source reviews were empty. Please provide actual product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 2. Animal Playground Redo. Discover the ultimate transformation for your pet's play area. This innovative solution brings new life and excitement to any space. It offers a safer and more engaging environment for your beloved animals. They will love exploring its new features and enjoying endless hours of play. Crafted with high-quality, non-toxic materials, it ensures longevity and peace of mind. You can trust that your pets are playing in a secure and healthy space. Setting up your new playground is a breeze, designed for quick and hassle-free assembly. Keeping it clean and tidy is also simple, allowing more time for fun. Whether you have a small kitten or a large dog, it adapts to their needs. Personalize the layout and features to create the perfect haven for your furry friends. What we like? This product focuses on imaginative animal-themed play with the unique redo concept. If you are looking for a toy that encourages creative storytelling and repeated engagement, this offers endless possibilities. It's great for children who enjoy building and reimagining their play scenarios. What people say. Number 1. Star Wars The Mandalorian Galactic Snackin, Grogu Animatronic Toy. Discover the beloved character from the Mandalorian series. This animatronic toy brings him to life right in your home. Experience over 40 unique sound and motion combinations. He responds just like the real Grogu from the show. This toy is designed for engaging play. Watch him react to different interactions and objects. He makes adorable sounds and displays various expressions. You'll love his charming personality. A perfect gift for Star Wars fans of all ages. Bring the magic of the Mandalorian home with him. What we like. This animatronic Grogu toy captures the beloved character with over 40 sound and motion combinations. If you are a Star Wars fan or looking for a highly interactive collectible, this brings the galaxy far, far away right into your home. It's ideal for enthusiasts who want a dynamic and responsive piece of their favorite saga. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.